My name is Taejun An, and my patent is the strapless airlock mask with the graphic indicator. The field of this invention relates generally to respirator masks for chemical and biological protection and other applications. The invention protects the wearer from potential hazards of breathing harmful airborne contaminants such as dust, pathogens, bacteria, mold, and other carcinogenic substances by using an air purifying apparatus. Background of this patent: the ultraviolet germicidal masks, which removes contaminants from the air the user inhales to protect the user from airborne contaminants. However, this patent uses an external battery, an external sanitation device, and a cone mask, all of which is connected with wires and pipes, which is very heavy and large and very inconvenient for everyday use. The next patent is the Respirator Seal, which is similar to the current invention in that it uses a clear outer shell and a cone mask. This patent still utilizes straps and comes into contact with the user's face on multiple points, which all serve as points of irritation for the user when used for long periods of time. The third patent is the mask system, is also similar to our, but it requires a consistent supply of fresh air, most likely from a tank of fresh air, which the user would also have to carry around. In addition, it only covers the mouth and the nose, which means that foreign contaminants can attack the user through their eyes. Next are the illustrations for the patent. Figure 1 depicts the front of the mask, with 1A being the flow of the air when the user inhales, and 1B being the flow of the air when the user exhales. And figure 2 shows a side view of the mask, with 1 being the outer shell of the mask, and 2 being the inner cone mask of the mask. 3, which is the valve which controls the air pressure inside the outer shell in order to make the outer shell of the mask adhere to the wearer's face. And 4 is the hole through which the user exhales. Figure 3 shows the inside view or backside view of the mask, and 3A depicts the cone mask inside of the outer shell. Figure 4 is another backside view of the mask, with 5 being the battery that powers the valve in order to control the air pressure inside of the outer shell. Figure 5 shows the backside of the mask, and 6 depicts 2 suction cups which are positioned on top of the mask or inside of the mask so that they adhere to the user's forehead and provide additional support for the vacuum so that the mask does not fall off the user's face. Figure 6 depicts the front side view of the mask when the mask is contaminated. As you can see, the graphic has appeared so that the user may be notified or may know that the mask is contaminated and that it requires sanitation. Some future implications of the mask is that the strapless airlock technology can be applied not only to masks, but to other wearables such as headphones as well, which allows for higher convenience in using these products by removing the need for straps or other inconvenient methods of adherence. The masks can also be used in surgical or professional settings due to their simple wearing and taking off, which saves time when there is an emergency, such as an urgent patient, meaning that the surgeons can get to the patient faster by putting on their gear faster because of this technology. And by using earphones or microphones within the mask, it can enable remote communications and remote instructions for professional use, all the while providing protection for the users. This can also be applied to military or surgical use. The benefits this patent provides to society include that it is a more convenient mask, meaning that people are more willing to use masks and that they will be able to use it for longer, which also helps to stop the spread of disease. And second, this also means more effective masks, as we can check the level of contamination of the masks from the outside due to the graphics, and people can see each other and point it out. And people can use cleaner masks because they know when the masks are contaminated, meaning that the spread of disease will also be slowed. Thank you.